Imagine you're ordering a ride home from a late-night party. You're tired, you're hungry, and the last thing you want to do is fumble around for cash. What if you could just tap a button on your phone and pay for your ride with cryptocurrency? It sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're going to find out, does Grab accept crypto payments? Let's start by understanding what Grab is. It's a popular ride-hailing app, similar to Uber or Lyft, that operates in Southeast Asia. It's a convenient way to get around, and many people rely on it for their daily commute. Now, onto the big question, does Grab accept cryptocurrency? Unfortunately, as of current date, Grab does not officially accept cryptocurrency payments. This means you can't pay for your ride using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other popular cryptocurrencies. But why not? After all, cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more mainstream. Many businesses are starting to accept them as payment, so why not Grab? There are a few possible reasons for this. One is that Grab might be concerned about the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly, and this can make it difficult for businesses to manage their finances. Another possibility is that Grab might be waiting for the regulatory landscape to become clearer. The rules governing cryptocurrency are still evolving, and Grab might want to wait until the situation is more stable before accepting crypto payments. While Grab doesn't officially accept crypto, there might be some workarounds. For example, you could try using a cryptocurrency exchange to convert your crypto into fiat currency, like USD or SGD, and then use that to pay for your Grab ride. However, this can be a bit complicated and might involve additional fees. So, what does the future hold for Grab and cryptocurrency? It's hard to say for sure, but it's possible that Grab might eventually start accepting crypto payments. As the cryptocurrency market continues to grow and mature, it's likely that more and more businesses will be willing to adopt this new technology. For now, though, if you're looking to pay for your Grab ride with cryptocurrency, you'll need to find a different option. But don't worry, there are plenty of other ride-hailing apps and transportation services that do accept crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.